Today's spotlight on the IWC Portuguese Chronograph. This is a great watch. It's one of the most highly sought after watches within the IWC program and lineup. This has got the silver dial. It often looks white, often looks eggshell. This one has the gold hands and the blue seconds hand up top. And this is one of those watches where you may not be sure if it fits your wrist right or not, but I can assure you that this is fits like a 43 millimeter watch. It's a larger piece. And one of the neat things about the IWC is it has that really cool beveled edge on that bezel. It actually sticks out from the actual case line. It gives it a very modern, clean, crisp feel. This is a highly sought after watch. And right now on for the IWC, it's $4,990 on SwissWatchExpo.com. Find it today, give it a look. We have a lot of different colors. And if you have any questions, let us know. SwissWatchExpo.com.